South African legal practitioners on notice as SIU targets fraudulent medical negligence claims, by Satori News. South Africa's Department of Health, alongside the Special Investigating Unit SIU, is clamping down on fraudulent medical negligence claims filed by unscrupulous law firms, amounting to a staggering misuse of millions of rand. The nation's health minister, Aaron Motsoaledi, backed by the SIU and the powerhouse of the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, is giving legal practitioners involved a 2-week ultimatum to retract their deceitful claims. The alarming rise of medical negligence claims was first noted at a 2015 summit that spotlighted a surge in such legal actions allegedly due to medical mishaps. However, after a scrupulous investigation, many claims were not only found groundless but also fraudulent, with certain victims either inexistent or oblivious to the claims made in their names. A particularly egregious case highlighted by Motsoaledi involved a claimant from Limpopo who demanded R70 million for an alleged botched circumcision. The investigation disclosed that not only was there no circumcision, but the hospital involved had treated the patient for a severe genital infection, essentially saving their life. These fraudulent claims are not isolated transgressions. They depict a systemic abuse of the medico-legal claiming process, which grew exponentially from 46 claims in 2010 to 529 by 2016, just in the Mathatha High Court. This manipulation of the legal system has deep roots, reaching out to private healthcare professionals. The SIU's digging into this fraud has even uncovered complicity amongst attorneys, nurses, and doctors. The method? Nurses would illegally procure medical documents. Then these crucial records, meant to counter potentially fallacious claims, would be mysteriously missing during court proceedings, inevitably advantaging the claimant and allowing for unlawful enrichment of the legal representatives. The sore spot of these false claims often lacked even the condition alleged, such as cerebral palsy, a serious birth injury caused by oxygen deprivation. Law firms, most notably Non-Zuba Attorneys Incorporated, already facing legal action, have been found to submit carbon copy claims, all demanding hefty sums without justifiable basis. In the wake of these revelations, the SIU obtained a presidential proclamation in 2022 to probe these malpractices further, revealing a harrowing spread. Gauteng is sitting on R4.175 billion worth of medico-legal claims alone. KwaZulu-Natal topped the investigation list with fraudulent claims worth R2.416 billion uncovered. Motsoaledi's announcement doubles as a final warning and an olive branch to implicated legal practitioners, potentially sparing them from prosecution should they opt for rectitude by withdrawing their false claims. The cleanup is not just about stopping fraud, but also rectifying it, as the Legal Practitioners Fidelity Fund has been engaged to compensate victims of these deceitful practices. This decisive action signals an endgame for the corrupt exploitation of the medico-legal sector, with the SIU and NPA poised to initiate stern action against transgressors post the 2-week amnesty period. For the legal practitioners involved, the opportunity to retract fraudulent claims is a narrow window to avoid the impending clampdown. Thank you for choosing Satori News.